This is Zarbee's Children's Daytime Honey and Cough Syrup Plus Immune Support. Why I like this is because when my kids are sick, I want them to feel better, but I don't want to give them anything too strong. I like that it's made with dark honey, so it naturally soothes coughs, and it also has elderberry and vitamin D and zinc, which gives kind of that gentle boost to their immune system. It's designed for kids 2 and up, and it has a natural mixed berry flavor, so it goes down pretty well. And I really like that there are no drugs, no alcohol, no artificial sweeteners, dyes, or gluten, just natural ingredients.